We'll guide you through how to animate charts in After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Adobe After Effects on your computer and wait for the program to load completely. After the workspace appears, create a new composition to begin the project. Set the composition settings you need, then confirm to open the timeline and preview panel. After the composition is ready, create chart elements with shape layers. Use the shape layer tools to build the parts of the chart inside the composition. Add chart on the chart style you want to animate. Place each shape correctly in the composition so the chart layout is clear and organized. When the chart elements are ready, select the chart layer you want to animate first in the timeline panel. With the layer selected, press S on your keyboard to open the scale property for that layer. After the scale property appears, enable keyframes by clicking the stopwatch icon next to scale. This creates the first animation point at the current time position. Set the first scale value to 0% so the chart begins from nothing. Make sure the playhead is at the starting position when this first keyframe is created. Next, move the playhead forward on the timeline to the point where you want the animation to finish. After moving the playhead, increase the scale value to the final size you want. A second keyframe will be created automatically, and the chart will animate between the two values over time. If you are creating line charts, use trim paths on the shape layer instead of scale. Add trim paths to the line shape and animate the end value from the beginning to the completed position. This will draw the line gradually across the chart. Continue to animate values over time for any other chart elements that need movement. Repeat the process for bars, lines, or pie sections until all chart parts are animated. Add text labels if needed by creating text layers for names, numbers, or categories. Position TH. After everything is complete, preview the chart animation by playing the timeline in the preview panel. Watch the full motion and confirm the animation plays correctly. When the preview is finished, add the project to the render queue. Open the render queue settings if needed, then click Render to export the final file. Your chart animation is complete.